Dear friend, I am Dedy, D-E-D-Y, from TBIC. Today, let's learn how to pronounce sound A, A, O, O, U, and O. First, let's learn how to pronounce sound A and A. Number 1. The old man who wears a cap drinks a cup of coffee. The old man who wears a cap drinks a cup of coffee. Number 2. I caught a bug and then I put it on my back. I caught a bug and then I put it on my back. Number 3. She cut the cat nails. She cut the cat nails. Number 4. The rag fall down to the rock. The rag fall down to the rock. Number 5. My uncle has an injury on his ankle. My uncle has an injury on his ankle. Number 6. The grocery staffs bring a lot of stuffs. The grocery staffs bring a lot of stuffs. Number 7. It is not a bat, but an owl. It is not a bat, but an owl. Number 8. This football match is much better than before. This football match is much better than before. Number 9. Put down your head when entering the hut. Put down your head when entering the hut. Number 10. I ran with Franky yesterday. Now I run with Linda. I ran with Franky yesterday. Now I run with Linda. Number 11. She falls to the mud, so her mother got mad on her. She falls to the mud, so her mother got mad on her. Number 12. The truck sped past the track. The truck sped past the track. Number 13. The flash appears when Linda flushes the toilet. The flash appears when Linda flushes the toilet. Number 14. The hag hugged a little girl. The hag hugged a little girl. Number 15. The ants paddle the leaf on the puddle. The ants paddle the leaf on the puddle. Next, let's learn how to pronounce sounds O and O. Number 1. The table tennis player training with a bowl of ball inside. The table tennis player training with a bowl of ball inside. Number 2. My uncle bought a new boat yesterday. My uncle bought a new boat yesterday. Number 3. A throne painting drawn by artist. A throne painting drawn by artist. Number 4. Alice poked the pork with a fork. Alice poked the pork with a fork. Number 5. I'm not sure this show will be an amazing show. I'm not sure. This show will be an amazing show. Number 6. I'm go to the cinema to watch a gore movie. I'm go to the cinema to watch a gore movie. Number 7. The door was opened, so the door was going out. The door was opened, so the door was going out. Number 8. The Indonesian folks use a fork to eat noodle. The Indonesian folks use a fork to eat noodle. Number 9. She saw the robbery, so she called the police. She saw the robbery, so she called the police. Number 10. Mow with machine is more effective. Mow with machine is more effective. Number 11. I saw a hole in the hall. I saw a hole in the hall. Number 12. The man who wear a coat caught a big fish. The man who wear a coat caught a big fish. Number 13. She woke last night and then walked to the bathroom. She woke last night and then walked to the bathroom. Number 14. The cost to go to the coast is cheap. The cost to go to the coast is cheap. Number 15. The weather was cold when she called her dad. The weather was cold when she called her dad. Next, let's learn how to pronounce sounds U and O. Number 1. Look at that book. Look at that book. Number 2. He pulled out the drowning person from the pool. He pulled out the drowning person from the pool. Number 3. This fool took that food and wolfed it down at full moon. This fool took that food and wolfed it down at full moon. Number 4. The suit make her suit dirty. The suit make her suit dirty. Number 5. He stood in front of the stewed meat 2 hours ago. He stood in front of the stewed meat 2 hours ago. Number 6. The football players must eat a healthy food. The football players must eat a healthy food. Number 7. That woman should buy her son. Should I help her? That woman should buy her son. Should I help her? Number 8. A female deer would buy male deer in the wood. A female deer would buy a male deer in the wood. Number 9. I could not make any noises because the baby could quietly in her crib. I could not make any noises because the baby could on in her crib. Number 10. Don't cook the cucumber too long. Don't cook the cucumber too long. Number 11. I took 2 cucumber last night. I took 2 cucumber last night. Number 12. Don't place that food on the book. Don't place that food on the book. Number 13. Frog understood the cartoon, but it took her too much time. Frog understood the cartoon, but it took her too much time. Number 14. Add a little bit of sugar on the soup. Add a little bit of sugar on the soup. Number 15. That restaurant have a cook crew. That restaurant have a cook crew. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.